Hey guys, if you got HyperX headset like Cloud Alpha Wireless or Cloud Third, then NGENUITY app lets you customize everything: sound, mic, lighting, and EQ. Here is the full setup. Download the HyperX NGENUITY app. Go to Microsoft Store for Windows 11 or 10 or 11. Search HyperX, install it, plug in your HyperX headset using USB or wireless dongle. Open NGENUITY. Your headset should automatically appear on the dashboard. From there, you can adjust mic volume and side tone, set EQ presets, bass boost, FPS custom, customize RGB lighting if supported. Click Save to device to store your settings even after unplugging. Pro tip: always update the firmware. NGENUITY prompts it automatically. Close background audio apps if your headset isn't detected. Works with all major HyperX models like Cloud Alpha Wireless, Cloud Third, Plusfire, and Alloy keyboards. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.